What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So audio is very important, and Tonor has been in the game for a very long time. Well, they asked me to test out the Tonor Q9 Studio microphone kit and give them my thoughts. Well, sure I can. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts, and I'm going to compare a little bit to my professional microphone. So we're going to have some fun in this video. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I reviewed Tonor microphones in the past, and it's been very good price versus sound. You get very good bang for your buck. So what you've been listening to right now is the Tonor Q9 USB microphone connected to my computer running Adobe Audition with no enhancements and no equalization. So what you're listening to is straight from microphone. Next to the Q9, I have my Sennheiser microphone, a high-end professional microphone that I use here on this YouTube channel. So I'm going to go side by side with both of these so you can hear a professional microphone compared to the Q9 Studio. And look, in this video, I'm going to make the Q9 Studio sound very professional when I add enhancements and equalization to it. Right now, you're just listening to it straight out of the mic. So let's talk about what you get in the box if you decide to purchase the Q9. So when looking at the box, it's an all brown box with Tonor in the front. And when you turn over the box, you have a nice detailed information about the microphone. When opening up the box, you're greeted to a bunch of goodies. You get a double layer pop filter and a mic cover. Also, you get adjustable boom arm, which is really nice here. Next, you get a all metal shock mount. And for the grand finale is one of the most premium microphones that I saw in a long time, the USB microphone, which is really good. Also, you get the USB-A to USB-B cord that you plug into your computer. And for all of this, the price is the thing that baffles me. You can get this complete setup for under 50 bucks. Look, I'm not kidding here. You could get all of this complete setup at a price of $45.99. I will leave all product links down in the description below, as of me recording this video is under 50 bucks. So let's look at the build quality of the microphone and the kit as I talk about some of the specs. The microphone itself is a cardioid with a diaphragm of 16 millimeters. The frequency response of this microphone is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. This microphone is plug and play. No software drivers are needed. All you gotta do is plug it into your computer and open up your appropriate software. The microphone itself is a all metal design with ultra premium look, and it feels really good in the hand. It's kind of heavy, but it has a ultra premium look. It has a volume button on it so you can make all your appropriate adjustments. Now, this studio setup comes complete with a boom arm that it can extend up to 27 inches. And also included in the package, you get a shock mount that put icing on the cake. It's a premium shock mount, and it's all metal. Okay, so it's time to do the sound test. Right now, I have no enhancements on either microphones, and you're listening to both microphones going back and forth. Look, let me shut up for a second and let y'all guys listen to the background noise. Now you can hear difference in background noise between both of these microphones. Now look, the Sennheiser microphone that I'm using is the MKE 600, and it costs a little over 300 bucks. So let me put that in perspective. Under 50 bucks, 300 bucks, this is the sound that you're gonna get. So let me go ahead and add some enhancements to both of these microphones so y'all guys can hear both of these microphones with full enhancements and equalization. So now I have full equalization on both microphones. A little work in post can make a big difference. So you can make a under $50 microphone sound very professional, sound very good. So it's, as you can hear, you be the judge for yourself. As far as the sound quality between both of these mics. Now, the Tonor Q9 is designed for streamers, podcasters, possible voiceover work, YouTubers, recording music, video phone calls, and much more. So I believe Tonor have stepped their game up with this microphone. It sounds pretty good here, especially when you add some enhancements and some equalization. Now you got to remember, in post, do a little work in post to make a good microphone sounds even better. So let's talk about some opportunities with this setup, right? First, there's no headphone jack, so you can't monitor your audio from the microphone itself. Next, the boom arm. It's okay. It's not the strongest, especially with holding this heavy microphone. So you do have to tighten it up a little bit when using this boom arm, which is not a bad thing, but it's just not the most quality boom arm that I've had. Next, the SPL of this microphone is only 45 dBs, which is not the best. Put that in perspective. My Sennheiser 600 SPL is 132 dBs. So yes, you definitely can clip this mic at any time. Look, I've been going back and forth with both of these microphones so y'all guys can hear both of these microphones in action. Look, it's not to compare both of these, but I want y'all guys to gauge how a higher-end professional microphone sound compared to a under $50 microphone. So you could be the judge for yourself. I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to pick this microphone up. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solution. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Tonor Q9 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.